Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for FET price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. As you know, on the daily chart we are looking at two scenarios here. One is bullish, one is bearish, where we have a WXY finished here in 3 waves down and 3 waves up, of course, for another wave B or wave X. And then of course we're still looking for one more structure probably to finish a wave Y or a wave C, meaning you are in WX and a Y. Your wave Y, of course, might reach this range here, of course, for a zigzag in 1-to-1 Fib level at 0.46. In your wave C, you might be an expanding flat A, B, where your wave B overshoot, of course, and you have already a leading diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and 5. Your wave 3 wants to hit the 1.618, of course, Fib level for a wave 3, and of course continuation toward the downside, one more wave, of course, as a wave 4, 5. Now the scenario that we are looking at here is of course an impulse toward the upside, meaning it gives also another bullish scenario here where you have 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and of course finished a short wave C here as a running flat, finishing exactly in the middle of the structure. After this, you would like to see higher prices toward the upside. This is exactly what we got as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for a wave 1 here, and then wave 2, and then possibly, of course, you would like to see a wave 3. Now, in that case scenario, after 1, 2, 3, you see, of course, yeah, your wave 3 was not long, and of course, interfering again with your wave 4. Therefore, yeah, we're still looking for a longer wave 2, meaning your wave 2 has turned in A, B, and a C. Your wave C here might possibly be an ending diagonal. That because you have 1, 2, 3, 4, your wave 4 interfere with your wave 1, invalidation of the impulse, meaning has turned this into ABC. ABC as a wave 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5. This will end perfectly in the Fib level for a wave 2. If we take also the time required for a wave 2 here from your wave 1, we can see that we are very close, of course, to finish here a wave 2. So if we would like to say that we have finished a wave 2 here, we want to see, of course, something unfolding toward the upside. However, this looks already like corrective. We cannot say that this might be a impulse because, of course, we saw a back down, and now we are possibly in A, B, and a C finished for your wave 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5 in a contracting diagonal. We are very close, by the way, to finish this contracting diagonal. It might finish very fast, guys, so it might be, of course, finished during the next Friday. I know we have passed, of course, the time, but the time is not invalidation. It can even get to the 2 here and even after it, but yeah, I mean, it's not an invalidation. We cannot call it invalidation. We can still have an expanding flat here as a B and a C in a contracting diagonal, finishing perfectly in this area, and then start to move toward the upside. Therefore, yeah, the highest possibility, of course, is still for lower prices because we do not have any kind of signal toward the upside. If I saw here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I would say, yes, guys, prepare after this wave 2 to move for higher prices. But this, of course, wave has took the low, invalidate the impulse. I cannot, of course, give a high possibility for bullish here, knowing that in a bigger scenario we are bullish, so we have to hit, of course, this Fib levels and then move toward the upside, breaking this 0.786, of course, and touching the 886, meaning we will take the low, meaning, of course, we are moving to this target as an A, B, and a C zigzag, of course. In case we broke this zigzag, meaning that we are impulsive and we're moving to this target, which is the 1.618 for your wave 3 in an A, B, and a C, of course, expanding flat in a bigger view, A, B, and a C. Your wave 3 is 1.618, 4, and a 5, continuation towards the downside. So at KGT for FET here, as you can see, we have a huge impulse toward the downside on the 5-minute chart, and also we have a 1, 2, 3, F4 and F5, and very obviously it tells us here to sell since the impulse toward the upside. And of course we got a convergence for the signals, very nice of course for KGT, showing a perfect signals for the impulse where you have started from here, and then here the convergence between the bearish looking for lower prices. As you can see, we don't have any kind of a bullish signal yet, and even no divergence, meaning we're gonna dive deeper a little bit for a wave 5 here. And if we take, of course, a look on the accumulation of the sellers, we have several times with sellers 3 bars at least, meaning the accumulation of sellers is increasing in this area, and here we go, booming towards the downside. That was it for FET. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.